Hello guys, welcome to our afternoon live trading session. So currently I'm making an analysis on the XAU USD. So let's see if we can actually take this entry, because I've been looking at this for some times now. I took out my first entry, but the second entry, the market is currently sitting on a resistance area. Okay, so please log into your account. Go to your account sharp. Let's see if we can get an entry from this. I'm running this trade already. Okay, I'm on this trade already. And guys, please, if you are taking this trade with me, make sure you are using a small lot size. Okay, make sure you are using a small lot size, please. It is very important. It is very important. Please use a small lot size. Guys, please make sure you are using a small lot size. Okay, so go to XAU USD and sell. XAU USD gold. Go and sell gold now. Sell. I'm already selling. Sell and set your stop loss. Let's set a stop loss on this trade. Let's set a stop loss on this trade, please. We are going to close this manually. All right. So if you're on the trade, set your stop loss to 1925.5. Okay, set a stop loss 1925.5. So immediately you start seeing profit, close your positions. All right, it's a scalping trade. It's a scalping trade, guys. Start closing position when you see profits. It is very important, please. Let me call out the stop loss once more. All right, 1925.50. So I'm setting mine already too. We are setting just the stop loss. All right, we are going to be closing manually. We are closing manually. Okay, so we are already running the trade now. We are running the trade. So let's see how that plays out. Okay, let's see how that plays out. Let's see how that plays out. So this is a zone that the market is currently, respecting. This is a higher time frame. Okay, This is a higher time frame, but we just want to scalp from that higher time frame and make a quick dollar. All right. So if this can just drop to this level, we just close our trade. All right. So if it's able to drop to this price, we just close our trade. So let's say here. The gold market is very volatile. That's why we want to be careful anytime we are trading it. All right. So that's why I said let's set stop loss. All right. Let's set stop loss. Even though it's going to take us out, I don't want us to lose too much. Let's just hold on, guys. Let's hold on. Let's hold on. So almost took us out. Almost took us out. Oh boy. So the gold market took us out. Took us out. That was my second entry, and it still took me out. So let's look for another setup, to make a quick recovery for our loss. All right. So guys, trade losses are part of trading. All right. So anytime you make a loss, please don't get discouraged. All right. You won't always win all your trades. Some will go into profit while others will go into loss. All right. Some will go into loss while others will go into profit. Okay. So this is not our first time of losing the trade on this live stream, but we are never discouraged because we will always make more profit. All right. So the most important thing is we want our profit to be more than our losses. So just losing one trade doesn't matter. Okay. Losing the trade doesn't matter. So let's look for another setup. Since the gold pair is misbehaving right now, so we are not getting an opportunity. Let's look for another. So let's look for another entry. Let's look for another entry. So you see what I was talking about not all the trades will go into loss, and not all will go into profit. All right. So you see, I gave this signal yesterday. I don't know if you remember this. If you were on the live stream yesterday, I'm sure you took this. Okay. So if you were here with me yesterday afternoon, I'm sure you took this trade. And look at this. This is the 1 hour time frame. You have made a massive profit. Guys, if you are on this trade, you can start closing some positions. Okay, it's very important. You can start closing some positions. I gave this signal yesterday, and up until now, yesterday I said it's an intraday trade. Okay, I said it could take hours. All right. So if you are here yesterday, I think you can testify to that also. So I said it was going to take hours before it started playing out, and look what happened. This was where we took the trade from. Okay, This is where we took the trade from. And look at this. The market actually went against us for some times. We call this drawdowns. Okay, we call it drawdowns in the forex market. So we had little drawdowns for some times before the market actually start going up to the top side. Okay, so it was a set and forget. I told you the market was going to go up, and look at what is happening now. The market is still going to the upside. Okay, it's still moving to the top side. Okay, let me just move this so that you can see this clearly. Okay, so this was where we took the trade from yesterday. This is where we took the trade from. So if you took the trade with me yesterday, you are in profit right now. Okay, so you can close some position if you have multiple positions open. If you don't have multiple positions open, I will advise you to close your trade. Okay, please. It is very important. Okay, so let's look for another, setup. Let's not dwell in the one that took us out. Okay, let's look for something else. This is the NZDCAD. NZDCAD. Come on. This is my name. Pair. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. That was a network error from my side. Okay, so let's continue with our analysis. Let's look for something, better. Let's look for something to make up for our loss. All right. Okay. I gave this trade to my premium members, but it hasn't triggered yet. It hasn't triggered yet. And if you want to be among my premium members, guys, please come and join the premium members so that you can get signals back to back. Okay, it doesn't have to be the only live stream signal. All right. So when you are on the premium group, you get signals back to back. All right. You get signals back to back. And we made a lot of profit this week, honestly. We made a lot of profit this week. If you want to join, all you have to do is just fund the account with at least $15. All right. Just fund the account with at least $15. And make sure you are doing that on this live stream. So if you want to do that now, go to the chat room, click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. So click on that banner and it will take you straight to where you can make your deposit. So deposit at least $15 in your account. All right. So the money you're depositing is not for me, it's for you to trade. All right. So anytime I drop the signal on that premium group, you just open your trade with your $15. All right. So let me make a fresh analysis on this. Let me make a fresh analysis and see what is going on in the market. All right. Let me go to the 15-minute time frame so that I can see if we can get a fast entry. So we had this break of structure here. We had that. And then we had the last break of structure to the top side. All right. And from there, the market has making a move to the downside. And as we can see here clearly, the market is on the uptrend movement. All right. So that is my trend line, but I have this gap around this area. Okay. I have that gap. Okay. So since my analysis was made on the 15-minute time frame, it would be wise to, take your entry from the lower time frame. Okay, take your entry from the lower time frame. So this is the 5-minute time frame. That's 1:3, meaning whatever we are risking here, we are looking to make 3 times of it. All right. So let's keep an eye out for this trade. All right. Let's keep an eye out. We have our entry marked out already. We have our entry marked out. So the higher time frame already suggested that it's an uptrend. We have this big movement. Okay, this is a break of structure, another break of structure, and another break of structure. Right. So this market is just making a retracement, and it's going to continue to go to the top side. Right. So the analysis here was done on the 15-minute time frame, and it would be best to take the trade from the 5-minute time frame since the analysis was done here on 15-minute time frame. So let's go to another you know another pair to make another analysis, right? Okay. All right. So don't be surprised. Don't be surprised that I'm making the analysis from the daily time frame. It's just that that is where the market is currently is. All right. So I'm just trying to see what is going on. Okay, what is going on in the market? Okay. right. Okay, so we have a break to the top side, but this looks like a liquidity. All right. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. That's 15-minute change of character. We have another change of character here. So I'm sure you are not new to change of character now. When I say change of character, you know what I'm talking about. Change of character means change of market structure, okay? Market structure shift. That means the market is planning to make a reversal, okay? So this is the, let me name this the 15-minute change of character. Minute change of character. This will be the 5-minute change of character, right? So let me use my Fibonacci tool to get where the market is heading to. Oh, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Right. So this is the 5-minute POI. That's okay. So let's go to our 5-minute and see what is going on in the market. So it's a clean one. It's clean. It's clean. Right. Wow. So I'll be waiting for this market also. Right. My stop loss will be here. My take profit will be here. All right. So this is the 15-minute time frame. Let's just give this market a chance. Let's see what is going to happen, and see if we can get an entry from here. I'm sure before the end of this session, um, it will be revealed to us. All right. So let's look for another market. All right. Okay. So this is heading towards our entry point. So let's make a fresh analysis from this also. You see, it's currently respecting. Oh my God, how I wish I saw this earlier. This is the 4 hour time frame. This is the 4 hour time frame, and that market is respecting that resistance, and it's respecting it real good. You see, it's respecting it real good, like real good. Market just make a U-turn immediately. It got to that level, so that's a good trade. That's a good trade. Um, So obviously we can't take it because it's a higher time frame. This is the 4 hour time frame, right? So if we want to take this right now, our stop loss will be super massively wide. Okay, and I wouldn't advise such trade, right? But the only thing I can do here is go to the lower time frame and see if I can get a proper entry back into that zone. Okay, so I got the last low. Last low there was violated. So the Fibonacci retracement tool cannot be used right now because we don't know where this market. So we want this market to actually make a stop, all right, and start going back up before our Fibo can be useful. So right now the Fibonacci is not useful yet, all right. It's not useful. We just have to wait for this market to, make a retracement back here and then give us an entry, all right. So this is AUDJPY. You can actually keep an eye out for this trade also. Okay, you can keep a watch out for it. If you are able to spot an entry later, you can take this. Okay, but it's reversing on the higher time frame, and I would advise you to go into such trade. Okay, I would advise you to go into this kind of trade right now, because if you want to set your stop loss here, okay, let's assume you enter from here. Okay, even though we have any idea right now that this market is coming down to maybe areas around here, we still can't enter because we are not a swing trader. Okay, so if you want to swing this trade right now, from here to this place alone, could take days, right? So we want to scalp it on the lower time frame. Okay, we want to take an opportunity from the lower time frame. So the only thing we could do now, right now, is to wait for this market to go back to make a retracement from these levels. Okay, so let me mark this out. This is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, all right. So I had this marked out already. Okay. All right. So if I'm to enter this kind of trade, my stop loss could be around there and my take profit on the recent low. Okay, not going too far. So you can keep an eye out for this trade also. If the opportunity provides itself, you can take this and make profit. All right, you can take this and make little profit. So we have, oh, can't even remember the analysis I've made. Let's just go through others and see if we can make any entry. Oh wow, you see what I was talking about? This just got triggered. Oh boy. See, I even forgot that I made analysis down just now. Look what is happening. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame so that we can see this clearly. You see, it induced the bias. Okay. So let's just wait and see if that is a good entry. Okay. Remember, we just did this analysis just now on this live stream. Um, so this is a trade for my premium members. It's a trade for my premium members, and the market is still heading down to the entry point. Okay. Okay, we did this also. Let me just write them down, all right? Let me quickly write them down so that I can just note them later for later. So if I get any entry on any of these, I'm going to be sending it to the free group, all right? So that we can make up for the losses, even though we are not able to get entry from, this live stream, all right? See what is still going on in the XAU USD. I want to risk entry again, but I'm sure most of us will be scared right now, right? Or I better still, let's just leave this since it's very volatile, right? We already made a loss from this, and it's a very volatile market, okay? So make we allow and breathe. Make we allow and breathe, all right? You see what is going on the XAU USD? I want to enter once again, but I'm waiting for a confirmation. I'm waiting for a proper confirmation. I want to wait. I want to make my money from it. Okay. Okay. So if you want to risk this trade with me, let me know in the comment section below. If you want me to call this trade out so that you can risk it with me, if you want to raise this with me, let me know in the section below, in the comment section below, so that I can call it out for you too. But it's a very risky trade, all right? It's a very risky trade. It already took us out once. Took us out the first time. Let's be careful so that it won't take us out the second time, all right? Let's be careful, please. So I want to get a proper rejection from there before I take an entry. I want to get a proper rejection. Okay. So I want to risk another entry on the XAU USD. I want to risk another entry. I'm waiting for a proper structure. A proper structure. That's what I'm currently waiting for. All right. Since I'm not getting a rejection yet, let me check out my other analysis. All right. My other analysis. Wow. This is beautiful, guys. Look at the analysis we made just now. Look what happened. The analysis we made, the one I made on the 15-minute time frame. Look what is going on here, guys. But unfortunately, we didn't take this. All right. I was waiting. We were waiting for this candle to close, but I just went out of here and started looking for another opportunity. And look what happened after. You see, this is why it is very important to stick with, a trade that you've already analyzed. Okay. So for me, this is for me, this is something that I'm already used to. Okay, I love making so many analyses, and in the process, I forgot some. Okay, I miss some analysis. I miss some entries because maybe I'm focused on an entry. You see, the same thing is happening here right now, guys. Please go to your chat. Let's not miss this. Also, go to your chat. Go to your chat. AUDJPY. So let's see if we are going to get a rejection here, and then we will just enter this trade. All right. Because I don't want us to miss this also. GBPJPY. Okay. So I'm just checking to see if I have any other analysis, that I've made earlier, and maybe I forgot. I'm checking to see if I have any. Okay. Okay. So let's wait for this market to close. Okay, let's wait for that candle to close and then see if we are getting a proper rejection there. Wow. So you see our analysis, my analysis on the AUDJPY. You see what is going on there? I hate missing entries. Seriously, I hate it when I miss entries. I love taking, that's why I love setting buy limits and sell limits, all right? So you see what happened here? Immediately it triggered, the market started rushing to the downside, okay? And the same thing happened on the other trade, I showed you guys just now. The same thing happened. I hate missing entries, guys. See, the same thing happened here. Immediately it touched, look what happened. It came back to the top side immediately. So this is 1:3. Assuming we were targeting is to 1 to 2. That is 2 times of whatever we are, risking. Would have taken profit from here. You see, you took profit. I hate missing entries. Seriously. I hate it so much when I miss entry. Okay. You see, this could have been a very profitable trade for us. A very, very, very profitable trade. This was the entry, and look where the market is right now. In fact, if we close this, we would have closed in profit, isn't it? We could have closed here, run away with our profit immediately. So the gold pair is still okay. Okay, so all right. Thank you for giving me the idea. You want me to make analysis on BTC USDT? That's good. Okay, BTC USD. Okay, okay. Yeah, that can be arranged. Okay. So do I have BTC USD here? Uh, BTC USD. All right. So on BTC USD, I have this break to the top side. I have a break of structure here. I have another one there. So this is suggesting that the market will go up for some time because we have few break to the top side. So there's a big gap here that the market is coming back to fill. Okay, so that means we can actually look for a sell entry since we are seeing this big gap here. All right, we have this big gap that this market is coming to fill. All right. So let's go to the lower time frame and see what is going on. Okay. Okay. All right. So this is the analysis on BTC USD. Okay. Right now, the market is on uptrend. The overall trend is uptrend, but it's going down to fill a gap on the downside. Okay, so you can actually scalp this trade to the downside. But right now, make sure you are getting a proper entry. All right. So what I mean by proper entry is this market broke out from this area. Okay, let me just draw this. We had a breakout to this area. The market will come back to retest. All right. So I'm doing this because if I start using the ICT terminology, you won't understand. Okay. If I start using the ICT terms, you will not understand it. So let me just make it this easy. This market will come back here, all right? It will come back to this POI. So when the market gets to this point, you can take a sell entry to the downside, all right? You can take a sell entry to the downside and you can target, come in, just a moment. We have so many gaps here, so you can, don't go too far, all right? Don't go too far. This is the 15-minute time frame. So you can actually do this, right? You can do this. Okay. So this is the analysis for the BTC USD. All right. You can just stay on this. When the market get to this point, then sell from this area, okay? And don't go too far. Make sure your stake profit is not more than this, okay? So you can actually set a sell limit around this area. You can just take a screenshot right now, okay? So look at this, the number here, okay? Set your sell limit. You can set your sell limit on BTC USD, all right? For you that wanted me to make the analysis, so I made it. I'm not calling out this trade though. It's just for you that said you wanted me to make the analysis. Okay, so I'm showing you the analysis right now. This market is going to buy back to this area and then to start going down. But don't go too far because the overall trend for this market is uptrend. All right. So guys, I think we've come to the end of our live session for this afternoon. Don't worry, we are going to make up for the loss on the XAU I'll leave a free trade on our BtcDana general group. All right. So guys, I'll see you in the evening. All right. Make sure you are coming with your pen and paper. That is the session where we'll be, I'll be teaching you guys how you can start trading the forex market profitably. Yesterday, I made sure that I started from the initial stage. That is the beginning of, forex trading, the introduction to forex trading. So today I'll be analyzing the market. Okay. I'll be showing you how you can actually analyze the market and then place a trade. Okay. So I'll see you guys in the evening. Bye for now.